Hi, my name is Lisa Knox, and I live out in Patchogue, New York. It's out on Long Island. And I was a bus driver for about 9 years. Part of those time years were in California, and part of them out here in New York. And here in New York in 2005, I was involved in a bus accident, no fault accident, and I received a lot of injuries from it, from my cervical, thoracic, and lumbar. I had multiple herniated discs, and I had spondylolisthesis, and I had stenosis, and all that fun stuff. And then I met Dr. Datta and his team, and I've had quite a few visits with him, about probably 10 to 12 visits, and each time, he provided car service. Dr. Datta and his staff are very, very professional, very, very good people to work with. I felt very comfortable, and my pain level was about, before seeing Dr. Datta, my pain level was probably about, I'd say upwhere near 10. I wouldn't want to say anything's a 10, but I'd say it was pretty close. And my quality of life was terrible until I started getting some procedures done, which helped. But the last one was, it was a surgery where they just make a little incision, it's just a little, about a 1/4 inch incision. And through that little incision, they took care of a lot of issues that I had, the stenosis and the spondylolisthesis and pain also. And I recovered within about a few days. I was up walking and playing with the kids and the grandkids again. So it turned out pretty good for me.
How long did you say before, after you had the surgery, that were you able to get back to regular, normal activities?
Just a few days, just long enough to recover from anesthesia, pain medicine and anesthesia. And, I don't regret having it done because it, prolonged my, my activities, made it so that I was able to do a lot of things that I wasn't able to do before, such as, being able to stand. I know it sounds like a simple thing to some people, but standing was difficult before the surgery. Because the trauma of major surgery, being cut open, is pretty significant. With the E-scope surgery, you're pretty much in and out of there. And, it took me a few days because of the pain meds and everything, but I think most people probably would have been able to just, go about their business. I would highly recommend Dr. Datta and his staff to anyone that I know, any friends, any family, or just people asking in general. Okay. Yeah, after having the surgery with Dr. Datta, the E-scope surgery, I'd say that within 2 or 3 days, I was up and walking and pretty much doing everything. It just took me a couple days to recover from the anesthesia and everything. That's just how I am. But I got to admit, it was very beneficial, the surgery, and I highly recommend it to anyone that's having the same pains that I had and the same injuries or similar.